Okay, now we're going to place the Lally column to support this long girder right here at the center. So we'll go to the ground floor again. This time we're going to say structure column, and we're going to use a steel circular column. So structural, or go to US metric, go to structural columns, steel, and look for a CHC, circular hollow section column family. So open that. And for this one, we're just going to select, let's say, 88.9, okay, by, let's say, 88.9 by 5. Again, this specification will come from your structural engineer, so we'll just use this for now. Okay, so depth, so is going to the top of footing from the ground floor. And if you need to, you might need to place some reference planes, but for now I'm just going to maybe place this, maybe a couple. Okay, so maybe somewhere here, one here, and maybe another one here. Again, the distance needs to be computed or specified by your structural engineer. Go to your section view. You'll notice that, of course, increase your detail level. So you'll notice that your Lally column goes up to the floor level. So you want to support the underside of your girder. So you can measure that. Oops, modify, measure. So from the ground to this level is about 254.1. So select this. Again, look for your top offset, ground floor, and say negative 254.1. Okay, and you will need to do that for the other Lally column. So top offset of negative 254.1. Okay, go to your 3D view, and it might be difficult to see, but there's your Lally column right here. And you can support that with an isolated column. So structure, isolated. Okay, just load one. Go up one level. So this is for a structural column. You want to go to the structural foundation. Okay, double click. It's a cup. There it is. Click open. So it's a 1.8 by 1200. You know how to change that. So I'll just use this. I need to be at the top of footing. So let me do that again. Isolated column. And I don't see where my columns are, Lally column. So I need to, again, cancel and turn on my underlay. Top of footing. Okay, looking down. And of course, it's being hidden by this girder. So I'll just say wireframe. There it is. So again, open that and place that. So it's just saying none of that item that we have created is visible because the foundation will be placed below the top of footing. So we can ignore that warning and then go to our section view, hit escape to see, wow, that's huge. Okay, so even if you have created this, so you can select the two, edit the type, okay, duplicate, and change that to maybe a 600 by 150 by 600. So you can change it after the fact. Again, remember this is Revit. So 150 foundation thickness by 600 by 600. Click OK. There you go. And then you go to a 3D view. Save.